Good morning. My name is Nandana Mihindukulasooriya, and my thesis is about a linked data quality framework. I will start with the motivation. As Julia said, right now there are large amount of web of data available for use. So this is a blessing and a curse at the same time. The good news is there is large amount of data available with structured form, with the explicit semantics, but the bad news is there are a lot of low quality data as well. And because there's a large amount of data sets, it's hard to do manual evaluation of this data to identify which one has high quality and which one has low quality. So the goal of my thesis is to develop automatic techniques to evaluate the quality of web of data and also repair them when it is possible. And with this question in mind, we have 4 main objectives. One is to develop a quality model for measuring quality of linked data. So the goal is, if you cannot measure, you cannot improve. So there should be a standard way to measure in order to improve the quality. Second, we believe, and our main hypothesis is, we can use a technique called data profiling for improving these data sets and measuring the quality. But the problem is the current techniques in linked data for data profiling does not have fine-grained information needed for this task. So we need to improve RDF data profiling. And the third one is to automatically generate constraints for validating data quality using the information that we get from RDF profiling. And then the final goal, using the previous 3 steps, is to develop automatic techniques for validating web of data and also repairing them when possible. So along these 4 lines of objectives, the thesis has 4 main contributions. One is a quality model, a standard quality model, which has a lot of quality metrics for measuring the quality in an interoperable manner, where you can compare the results of quality of different techniques. And then we also develop a RDF profiling framework, which has fine-grained information which are used for quality assessment. And then RDF shape induction method, which can automatically generate constraints for validating and repairing this data. And finally, a set of methods and techniques for validating the data and repairing based on the previous shape induction method. And finally, these results are presented in international conferences and journals. And finally, I would like to highlight 2 of main contributions that I could achieve using these results. One, we were able to win the ISW Semantic Web Challenge using one of these techniques, along with the IBM Watson Research Group in USA, in one of the main international conferences in our domain. And then one of these techniques also is accepted as a Google Summer of Code project for DBpedia for further development and in integration for DBpedia, which is one of the largest web data datasets. And that's it. Thank you very much.